Okay, just crested this long uphill. Walking back, meet Dan. He's at the first really difficult spot. Get some video of some folks coming up here. Here's Cheryl and Sarah, doing well. Next up, the new couple that we've met. Dan disappeared. Hey Dan, what's the name of the couple that is riding with us? I keep forgetting.
Lori and Chris.
Lori and Chris, thanks. I'm narrating for the contour.
Okay.
Lori and Chris are due up next. I think Dan's got a better vantage point. You got a better vantage point. Yeah, this was the one I came down.
Yeah.
And I saw that, so I got over here and I was like, oh crap. Yeah, you're gonna like that beta.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to send Chris some of this footage.
Oh yeah.
He's giving me a lot of history about his life. He's quite the businessman.
Well, yeah. Want to take a break till they come? Want to take a break on the camera till they come?
Yeah, that's one. Oh.
I mean, it's recording now. Do you want to stop it?
Yeah. I could turn it off, but I don't know when they're coming up, and it takes a few seconds to boot up.
Okay.
So I turned it, right after I parked the bike, I shut it off and turned it back on because I got this loop and started walking back. Then I thought you fell off the cliff here. And yeah, for some reason, cameras never do it justice.
No, they don't.
I think I hear an engine, but I'm not sure.